Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lonnie Johnson. I bought this Dolly for a Kubota tractor. It's for a BX25D, at least that's what I have. The hoe that's attached to the back, this here will sit on that. So I'm going to show you how to put it together and what is needed, and then I'll show you how it works. So stick around. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Probably cheaper to buy it this way than to go ahead and make it myself, because at least this one comes painted. I'll have to take that off, and it's probably got the wheels and the hardware in it. Got some instructions. The wheels and the hardware. I've got to say, these are some really nice wheels. And I'm just going to flip it over. Okay, here's what you should have. For each wheel, there'll be 4 bolts, 4 washers, 4 lock washers, and 4 nuts. Now you have 2 types of casters here. This one here is solid. It goes on the back here. This one here swivels. You want to put that on the narrow end in the front, which I call it, but it's the most narrowest end of this frame. Now put the bolt up through the bottom, put a washer on it, put the lock washer on, then go ahead and put the nut on it. Now you can use a 1/2 inch socket or wrenches on this nut and bolt. Okay, that's one. Now go ahead and do the other 3. Get them tightened down really good. Now remember, the swivel casters go on the narrow end. Okay, there it is. Now I'll go ahead and flip it over, see what it looks like. Okay, this was really easy to put together. All you have to do is put the casters on. The only thing I don't like about it is the wheels do not have a lock. Now I'll show you how it works. Go ahead and slide it up under there. Trying to center it out. Because this has to come down on here and go in between here. Make sure you have this pin removed. Go ahead and start the tractor and bring your boom and bucket down. Both sides. But that was pretty simple. Now I'll just unhook it and roll it out of the way. I actually had to take that outrigger and put it down because that side there was a little harder to get out. But once that outrigger hit the ground, that pin came right out. Don't know if you're going to have that problem or not, but if so, that's what I did. Now I'll just pull it out of the way. I can put it right back on a lot easier than backing the tractor up to it. I have a leak down here. I need to change one of those lines. I know which one it is. I gotta go get the line tomorrow. But I could have built one of these, but by the time I bought the wheels, the metal, and put my time into it with the welding wire, gas, electricity, it would have cost me probably the same amount, if not more, because of the price of steel and components now and all the materials it takes. But I think I got my money's worth. Now here's a little bit of a bonus video here. I want to show you what's inside this box. It's a straight bar for my Kubota BXPANDED. There it is on my tractor. If you want to see how this was installed, I installed a Piranha tooth bar. It's installed the same way. Just look up in the top right hand corner and there's a link there. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.